All right. So here we have one that's bigger numbers. We have 26s and 11s and stuff like that, but it's going to work the same way. So we have a 4, a 3, a 26. We have a 3, a minus 11, and a minus 7. All right. So what do we want to do here? Well, I see that if I take a minus this row plus this row, that would give me a 1. And that looks like it's going to be better than if I take and do fractions. If I take 4 and divide it by all those, that'll give me 1, a 3/4, and 26/4. I don't think that's going to be what I want. So I'm going to say let's take a minus row 2 plus row 1 and make that my new row 1. So second row stays the same, 3 minus 11 and a minus 7. Now I'm going to take minus that plus that should give me a 1. I should probably make that 3 a little clearer, hopefully, so I can see it. Now 11 plus 3 is going to be 14. And then minus that plus that, so that's going to be a positive, what, 33. Okay. Now I can do my minus 3. Can't write very well today. Let's get rid of that one. There we go. Make it prettier anyway. So that's going to be, that was a 3. So let's do a minus 3 row 1 plus row 2 is my new row 2. All right, so first row stays the same. 1, 14, 33. Second row, we're doing 3 times minus 3 times that plus that. That gives me 0. And then minus 3 times that, and then plus that. So that's going to be 12, 42, 50, 53, it looks like. So minus 53. And 3 times that's 99, and that. So that's going to be what? Negative 106. Okay, well, that looks good because that's a multiple of that. And so now what we can do is we can divide by 53, and we want to negative that. So negative 1/53 row 2 is my new row 2. So that's a 1, a 14, and a 33, and a 0, and a 1, and 2. Okay, so that was nice. Now I can take what? A minus 14 row 2 plus row 1 is my new row 1. And that gives me what? Well, 0, 1, 2. Now we're taking, that's going to be 1, and then we're going to take minus 14 plus that, so that's going to be 0. And that's going to be what? 28, and then subtract that, so that should be 5. Okay. So it looks like x1 is equal to 5, x2 equals 2. So that's my solution, I'm saying. Or if I wanted to write it 5 comma 2, that's another way. Now the only thing left is a check, so 4 times 5 plus 3 times 2 equals 26. That's 26, so that one works. Then 3 times 5 minus 11 times 2 equals a minus 7. So that's 15 minus 22, so that will be a negative 7. So that one works as well. All right, so that's some different ways to solve different problems using the augmented method and getting down into the ones down the diagonal, zeros off, and then everything over here is going to be our solution. Okay, so that's all I have for this section. I'll see you in the next one.